Yo, what's up? It is time to work on our cars, which we barely do now because the new shop, but we're installing new exhaust since the stock exhaust was put on for Laguna Seca. So this old agency power axle back is going back on, but we got a new mid pipe, so let's check it out. And we got a bunch of other stuff going on. Daniel's new E90 oil change, Mari's new car, I don't know what they're doing and stuff. But yeah, oh, and then look what I got. It's pretty. Oh, dude, it's a fucking scratch. Oh no, it's metal. Just kidding. But yeah, brand new E88s, courtesy of Kevin from Auto Solutions. But yeah, let's check this out. It's a new, we got some new stuff. I was surprised it was in this little box, but Daniel's car was loud and catless, so it made me want to go loud and catless. So we're going with this catless X pipe from Max Schnell, courtesy from Motorsport Hardware. Our buddy Cecil hooked it up, got it to us really quick. But let's see how it looks and then put it on. Sir, I am struggling cutting this freaking, I don't know what I'm doing. Whoever packages this, they know what they're doing. I can't open it. Whoa, you like that? Or what? You were zooming. I don't know what I'm doing. Cola, it's hot, huh? It's hot. It's like what, 90 degrees today, 86. We're not ready for summer. It's only spring. Sucks. Oh yeah, we're going on a track on Saturday. That's why we're doing all this. Let's see if we if it changes anything going catless. For sure gonna stink. Huh? Oh yeah, stay tuned. We're going back to the circuit, but I don't know if we'll have the time again. What the frig? Oh, there you go. Oh, there's another piece. Alright, we got one more.
One eternity later.
One eternity later. It took a while, I don't know why. Ugh. Yep, oh no, special guest today. I wingless with a wing. Michael Kua. Yeah. Well, it's pretty. That's ugly. I need a new exhaust, so if you see this and have one, let me know. But for now, it's cool. Alrighty, let's go. Let's take the stock one off again. You missed it. Man, I feel like I just did this. Oh, I just punched myself in the stomach. At least we get to go. We're gonna do cool flybys after sound checks. Mwah! Ready? We're going downtown. Oh wait, hold on. Don't start walking yet, buddy, old pal. Okay, go. Oh shit, no, wait. Okay, go. No. This is pretty average, but very large for me. Don't put that in there. No. No. It goes this way, side exit, like that. Is out the side of the car. Just go. We're gonna throw a check in July, bud, but we ordered some the Fowlers. The Fowlers. Alright. Hold it right there. Thank you, sir. What was that? Hold it straight. Straight, okay?
straight as I can be.
Cool. And you know, it's always when you work on cars is when like, oh, who touched your ass? Hold up, just kidding, just kidding. I think it's like you're the dirtiest you can be. Oh, shiznit. Oh, dang it, it's on top of the ski plate. Hold on. Oh, that one slipped in there and nothing.
Oh, yeah, because I know where to hold it now.
Oh, hello. What's up with all that ruckus you causing over there, bud? Y'all know what you're doing around them parts? Working on their tow yurter. So we got the exhaust on. So far, sounds really good. We gave it a couple revs, sound good. But we're gonna take it for a test drive real quick. See how it sounds on throttle. Go on.